Hey guys, today we're going to make homemade hot chocolate mix. It's perfect for going out to see the Christmas lights, and it's also the coziest thing for decorating your Christmas tree. So, cheers to hot chocolate.
Yum!
First thing we're going to do is whisk up the cocoa powder and the powdered sugar just to help get rid of all the lumps. So you're going to add 2 cups of powdered sugar and 1.5 cups of cocoa powder. Then you're just going to whisk that up to get rid of any lumps. And you can also do this with a mixer or a food processor. A mixer makes the process super easy. It also gives your kitchen a really good dusting. But a whisk works just as well. Just whisk it around until you don't see any lumps. Then you're going to add 3 cups of instant dry milk and then half a cup of French vanilla coffee creamer. And then you're just going to whisk that up. And voila, you have hot chocolate mix that you can add to a jar and keep it in your cabinet for yourself, or you can even give it as gifts for Christmas. It makes great hostess gifts too if you're going to a Christmas party or a get together. Once you have it mixed up, then you can find a jar to put it in or a dish, something that will keep it airtight and sealed. So I'm going to use this jar. It's not a very big jar, but it'll hold what I need it to hold. I'm just going to use my cupcake scoop to scoop the mix into the jar. If you have a bowl that has a spout, that's even better, or a giant funnel. This works pretty good actually. And I have smaller cupcake scoops like this too, so if I decide to make gifts with this, I can use a smaller scoop to get it down in the smaller opening of the jars. This particular batch is just for us, and it's going to go into the cabinet. And stick the lid on, and we're good to go. I've got the water heating and I'm ready to mix up my first cup of homemade hot chocolate. Then you're just going to add a half a cup of your hot chocolate mix to your favorite mug. Then you're just going to add 8 ounces of hot water.
Wow.
And then you're just going to stir it up. Stir it up really good so you don't have any lumps of mix left in your cup. It's all dissolved into the water. Now you can add a little bit less hot cocoa mix. I like to add half a cup to make it really creamy and chocolatey, but we've used as little as 1/3 of a cup. So you use your judgment how you like your hot chocolate. If you don't want it quite so creamy and chocolatey, use a little bit less. And you could probably also make this with hot milk, but I find that it's creamy enough with the instant milk, and it doesn't need milk added to it. At this point you can add either whipped cream or marshmallows. I've even made I make a peppermint whipped cream that's really delicious in hot cocoa. But I am going to add in mini marshmallows today because I love mini marshmallows in my hot cocoa. I have a little helper who cannot wait to have a cup of hot cocoa today. And then you just enjoy your mug of creamy hot chocolate. It is so good. I always like to get my marshmallows to absorb as much of it as they can, and they kind of melt into it, and it's so, so good.
Yeah.